Here's a 2006 Honda Odyssey. It's about bringing family together, staying connected along the way, and giving you that sense of home no matter where your journey takes you. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. AM/FM satellite radio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rearview mirror, 3 12-volt power outlets, driver memory seats, V6 engine, power sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. New Car Test Drive highlights its improved car-like ride and handling, a more powerful and fuel-efficient 255 horsepower V6 engine, and a clever seating system that can accommodate up to 8 passengers. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
Our online price quotes make sure if you're buying Honda, you've got our best price right up front. BartlesvilleHonda.com, the website of Honda of Bartlesville.